Thinking of switching carriers, but want to keep your number? This section explains how to port out of Optimum Mobile. Porting out means transferring your current phone number to a new provider like Verizon, AT&T, or T-Mobile. To do this, you'll need two key pieces of information: your Optimum Mobile account number and a transfer PIN. Your account number is a unique 10-12-digit identifier for your Optimum Mobile account. The transfer PIN, also known as a port-out PIN, is a 6-10-digit code that authorizes the transfer. It's crucial for security and prevents unauthorized porting. You'll need to provide both of these to your new carrier to initiate the porting process. Remember that as of September 2025, porting is a consumer right under FCC rules. Let's get down to the specifics. As of September 2025, the easiest way to get your account number is generally through the Optimum app. The transfer PIN is a little different. You'll typically need to contact Optimum customer service directly. You can call them at 1-866-647-1846 for prepaid lines or 1-800-678-0719 for general inquiries. Be prepared to verify your account information, such as the last payment amount. Alternatively, you can visit an Optimum or Altus store with a valid photo ID. While Optimum is working on digital enhancements, PIN requests still require a phone call for security reasons. Be patient, as hold times can average 20 to 30 minutes. Once you have your account number and transfer PIN, provide them to your new carrier to start the porting process. And make sure your Optimum Mobile account is active and in good standing to avoid any delays.